Hello Internet, welcome to the channel. Supernova Design Company Startup Vlog, June 12th. Work week 23. Today's to-do list, work on project accountability, which we're here writing it down, getting it done. Morning exercise or take a walk. We actually got both of those done today. We were up a little earlier than the kids, and the kid was sleeping. We had our 15 minutes to go sneak that one out. Finished yesterday's videos. Last night the kids got a little high effort, which is great. Happy to be here for them. However, 10:30 came and the video wasn't done and the kid was still up, so one of them was. So we crashed out. Feeling good and refreshed today. After that, rack tests. We got all the caps done yesterday. On one side, things are looking good. Still haven't got the filler rod. I think that will show up Thursday. Don't say cut that out. Today's test is going to include the wood. Yep, and also, what do we got? Challenges today. Again, getting these videos posted. Told you I switched to the para method, and there's still some directories I'm trying to get figured out where goes what and when, because we're generating about 10 files per day with pictures and videos, and I think once they get streamlined, it'll be really quick and easy, but making change is tough. So anyway, enough rambling about that. What we need to be doing is making some kitchen racks. That's it. Check in later. Have a good one. All right, end of the day check-in, June 2nd. What did we get done today? Not too much. We got our morning routine exercises and we went for a walk. We got yesterday's video finally published and messed around with some AI stuff, getting a prompt that will hopefully speed up the process of coming up with descriptions and titles and things like that, hashtags. I'm writing down what I learned that day and what I'm going to do that day, and some other notes that might come up, and spitting that into the AI and letting it do the rest. AI sellout maybe, but one person. What I learned today, YouTube CEO likes descriptive file names, keywords in the title, and also in the thumbnails. Quick lesson, trying to include that in there. That was it. So we're going to check out, call this one done for the day. Oh, let's go. See you tomorrow.